Now we are going to construct a triangle when the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. That is SAS criterion. Here that is SAS, that is side, angle, side. Okay, the angle should be between the given two sides. Okay, then if it's a triangle, we have to get these two sides at the time this angle. If we know these two sides, then we want to know this angle. If we know these two sides, then we want to know this angle. Clear you? That is two sides and the angle between the given two sides. Clear? Now the exercise 10.3, first question. Construct a triangle DEF such that DE equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm and angle D is equal to 90 degree. That is DE equal to 5 cm. We can draw the rough diagram DE. Then DF is equal to 3 cm. DF is equal to 3 cm. Then we can join, F will be there. Then one more measurement is there, that is angle D. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. So if we know the first side here, that is okay. But without measuring this 90 degree, if we drew this 3 cm here, the angle may be or may not be 90 degree. So first we have to draw one side. After then measure the angle. Then mark 3 cm on this line. Then join the joining point. First we can draw DE with 5 cm from here to there. Up to here this is 5 cm from here to there. Okay. Now we can give the name of this side as DE. After then we can measure 90 degree angle on D. So we can use the protractor. Keep it here. Okay. This point will be on this D itself. Clear? Then 90 degree will be here. So mark it here. We can draw a line from this point or okay, now we marked this 90 degree here. Now we can draw a direct line to this point. Now this is 90 degree. Next one is we can mark F on this line. But before this, where is the point F? It can be here or anywhere. But they given one side. That is DF is equal to 3 cm. So we can keep the scale here 3 cm. From here it is 3. So from here will be the next one. Or one more way is there, that is take 3 cm compass distance. Then keep the compass point on D and draw one arc to cut this first line. Then here this joining point will be F. After then join F and E. We can use scale. Okay. Now we have to write the measurement. This is equal to 5 cm. This is 90 degree and this will be 3 cm. Is it clear for you? It's very easy. Nothing is there. one side we have to draw first. After then measure the angle. Then on that line mark the side, length of this side. Then join that side. Okay. Now I have marked x here because dx. On this dx we have to mark f as df is equal to 3 cm. This step is here. Clear? Second question is construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. That is, it's an isosceles triangle. That is, if this is 6.5 centimeter, one more side will be 6.5. Okay, that is, each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter. Then the angle between them is 110. Maybe if we are measuring this side, this angle will be 110 degree. Okay, then the length of this side, if it is 110 degree, that is this angle will be more than 90 degree. So the shape will be approximate, okay, like this way. So we can say this is 110. So the length of this side will be 6.5 centimeters. So we can mark this one here. So while joining, we will get an isosceles triangle with the two equal sides 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them will be 110 degree. For making this triangle, first we can draw the first side with the 6.5 centimeter. Okay, 6.5. We can name this side as A, B. They didn't mention the side, but we can give it. Then this is 6.5 centimeter. Now I am going to take this angle as 110 degree. You can take this angle, that doesn't matter, according to your choice. Okay. Now we can measure this angle. So from here onwards, because the line is here, then 0, then 90, 100, 110. Here will be the mark. Okay. Now I marked here a point. We can name this one as X. Okay. After then we can join this point and B. Now we have to measure on this side 6.5 centimeter. We can use the compass. We can take 6.5 centimeter as compass distance. Okay. Now keep the compass point on B and draw an arc to cut our side BX. So now here is 6.5. So we can name this one as, this joining point as C. I joined with a pink pen. Okay. Now we can join this C and A. Okay. Now we got a triangle ABC. This side is 6.5 and this side also 6.5 centimeter. Now it is isosceles triangle with one angle 110 degree. Clear? Now I have given the steps of construction. By going through these steps, it is very clear for you to make a triangle. Now we can do the third question. Construct a triangle ABC with BC equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC equal to 5 centimeter and angle C is equal to 60 degree. That is as rough diagram, we can make a triangle ABC. ABC. But here C is the angle. So better we can write this C down. That will be easy for you to measure. C will be here. Then B we can give here. Or B we can give here. A will be here. Anyway. But C we can make it down. That will be easy for you to measure the angle. Okay. Now as usual we have to think about the length of sides. AC is 5 centimeter. Then BC is given, that is 7.5 centimeter. Then angle C is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now first we can make AC is equal to 5 centimeter. Here will be 5. So AC. After then, by using the protractor we can measure. Keep the protractor on C. Then measure the angle as 60 degree. We can use this protractor and mark 60 degree. Here 0, then 60 will be there. We can give this point as X. After then join this C and X. Okay. Keep the compass point on C and mark here 7.5. Okay. Then mark this one as B. Joining point as B. Then join A and B. Okay. How can we draw? First we have to draw a side. We can take this one as 5 centimeter. Then by using the protractor mark 60 degree. Okay. Then we have to measure 7.5 centimeter by using this compass distance. Okay. Then mark an arc to cut this 60 degree. Okay. Then join this A and B. Now triangle ABC is ready with a 5 centimeter, then 7.5 centimeter and 60 degree. We can use the protractor or compass to make this 90 degree as we done in the perpendicular line. Okay. Now we can use the protractor or compass for measuring this 60 degree also. Okay. And 110 everywhere. But that way if you are doing this work by using the compass without using this protractor, that will be somehow difficult for you to do that. Maybe you will get the confusion. So I did this work by using this protractor. Okay.